How to see background apps running on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Search. Then search for Developer. Click on Developer Options and then turn on your developer mode. After you've turned on, simply at the bottom you'll find Running Services. Click on Running Services and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll be able to see background apps running on your phone. As you can see, top MB, RAM, and then if you click on it you'll be able to stop them as your background apps. And this is how to see background apps running on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.